Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch Fit 2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and we can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. In the menu, scroll down and tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down and find the option called display and brightness, this one. Tap on it, and here make sure that the auto brightness option is disabled. By default it's gonna be enabled, so tap on the switch to disable it, and then you can tap on the brightness option. And here we can adjust the brightness by swiping up and down on the slider, like this. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back, like that. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.